morning. I hope you all are having a great day today. Today is Wednesday. What is the weather like? I have to know what the weather is like. What's going on with it? 80 degrees this day. The next day, you got 14 degrees. And the next day, you got a snowstorm. And a day later, you're going to have 80-degree weather. Like, this is what I've never seen anything like this. We're making breakfast here at the Young's house, and I'm going to make a quick and simple recipe that's going to fill everybody's stomach up, Gina Young style. So we're going to be making up some pancakes. I have some pancake mixture here. If I have vanilla extract, I'll be putting it in here. We're going to do something really super interesting with this onion today. I have some beautiful fresh eggs. And I'm going to be using yellow American cheese. Of course, you're going to need some butter. I have some oil in both of these pans. I have some sausage today, and I'm going to make sausage links. If there's one thing that I love, and I know you love too, is to take the bacon or the sausage and drag it through that syrup when you're making pancakes. I said I was making pancakes, but I'm actually making waffles. I could make pancakes with this same batter, but I'm doing waffles today, so I have my waffle maker here. And I'm going to do something super interesting with these tomatoes. You're going to need some seasonings to make everything come together and taste good. Today is a great day. And as a matter of fact, every day is a great day. All right, we have salt and pepper. We got some garlic powder and some parsley flakes, of course. Make sure your hands are clean. Let's make breakfast together. Let's make up some waffle batter. I hope you all are having a great day today. So I'm going to go ahead and put my water into my mix here. I didn't have any vanilla extract, but we'll make it work, right? Might put a little bit of cinnamon in these waffles today. Lovely. I'm looking for that perfect consistency. Go ahead and put that cinnamon in there. It's going to bring some great, like, warm flavors to our waffles today. And then we're going to slice up some onions, because guess what I'm going to do? We're going to saute one beautiful onion in some butter and oil. We're going to salt and pepper it, and guess where that sauteed onion is going to go? It's going to go on our scrambled eggs today, and it is absolutely amazing. You're going to love it. Try it next time you make your eggs. Go ahead and get started on our sausage links. In this pan, I do have just a little bit of cooking oil. I'm going to turn this pan onto a medium-high heat. I'm going to keep a good eye on it. We want to cook it till it's well done and got that crispiness. Inside's going to be nice and juicy. But in the meantime, I have this pan with a little bit of oil. I'll put about a teaspoon of butter in there as well. Let's get this onion cut up. It's a small onion, but this will do for what I'm trying to do today. And we're going to saute it. I want to get some golden brown color onto it. Let's go ahead and put that teaspoon or tablespoon of butter in our pan. And I'm just going to slice these onions just like so. It's going to bring a whole different taste to your scrambled eggs. Absolutely it will. Oh yeah. I make breakfast for my husband. It's something special that I always like to do for him. Either it will be fruit or tomatoes. In today's case, it's going to be some lovely Roma tomatoes. So what I do is just slice up some fresh tomatoes and put it on his plate. And then right before he gets ready to eat it, we salt and pepper it to give it some great flavor. Just in quarters, just like this, and he loves it. And you will too. Or maybe is it going to be fruit? I want to know, let me hear from you all. Do you do something like this? Like some type of freshness to your breakfast? Anybody? We wait on our waffle maker to heat up. Let's go ahead and put our eggs into our bowl, but then I'll put these back into the refrigerator, okay? Listen, if you want to make the perfect egg, you don't need heavy whipping cream, you don't need milk, you don't need water, salt and pepper it at the last minute, but I'm going to show you a technique that's going to make your eggs fluffy and gorgeous every time, okay? So now I'm just cracking them, then we'll put them back in the refrigerator so we can keep them nice and cold, because it's not time to cook them right now. Go ahead and get that waffle batter right in, and I am so excited. When's the last time y'all had a good waffle? A waffle that tastes good. Take a look at these onions, because we're going to get them right out of the pan. I did salt and pepper them to give them that nice flavor that I'm looking for. Always salt and pepper your sauteed onions, okay? And look at this. Are you kidding me? That right there, that's what you call the perfect waffle. Let's get some more waffle batter going. Our sausages are looking lovely. We're moving in the right direction. It smells great in here this morning. Go ahead and get a couple more waffles made. I really wish that I had some strawberries and powdered sugar. Strawberries and powdered sugar is just lovely on a waffle if you've never had it. Oh my goodness, it's so good. Because the strawberries, you know, most of the time they have a little bit of sourness, and then you have that sweet powdered sugar. Is just so good. Question for you all, because I want to know if there's anybody out there like me. When I have a breakfast sausage, yes, of course it's going to be well done, but I don't want a breakfast sausage that is, unless it's like a smoked sausage. Like this, and maybe the sausage patties, I don't want it to get too dark on the outside. I want a golden brown color, maybe a shade or two darker than golden brown. I want it to have that nice crust, but I don't want it to be, you ever seen somebody make the sausages and they're almost black? That's not what I'm looking for. I don't like that flavor, they'd be too hard. You can keep your sausages, your breakfast sausages, juicy if you don't overcook them, and yes, the inside will still be done. Right? So I always turn mine on, like this is on medium right now. I'm not going to rush it. I'm going to show you the perfect color sausages that I love. I don't like when they get too dark. That right there, that drives me wild. Tell me these sausages don't look absolutely amazing. Oh my goodness, they're almost done. Almost done. These waffles are looking amazing. The sausage is done. I'm going to place them here. We're going to get ready to start to make those eggs that have the sauteed onions in them, and we're going to make those eggs nice, fluffy, and cheesy. Breakfast is almost done. That last waffle cooking, and it's actually, let's see. Oh, it's done. We'll go ahead, take it out. I know my hands are made of steel when it comes to cooking. All right, I'm going to go ahead and take about 2.5 tablespoons of butter for my eggs. And we're going to whisk these eggs up. Get a nice amount of air into those eggs, just like so. We're not going to salt and pepper these eggs right away. If you salt them, you change the whole texture of what they're really supposed to look like, okay? Once this gets frothy in the pan, we're going to start on our scrambled eggs, and I'll tell you the perfect time that we're putting our cheese and our sauteed onions in. I'm all excited. Oh, my crumbling. Is your mouth watering? I want to hear from everybody who loves breakfast. And do you just love it for breakfast time or breakfast, lunch, and dinner? Because here at my house, we can have breakfast for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or a snack. Because it's so easy to put together, and who doesn't love breakfast, right? So now I got a soft spatula. I'm going to do that pulling technique. I'm pushing the cooked egg to the middle, and the raw egg draws to the outside, and we keep pushing that cooked egg to the middle until you got a light, fluffy pillow. Take a peek in here at our eggs here in a minute, but if you're going to serve somebody fresh tomatoes, you be sure to salt and pepper to really bring out a nice bright flavor to the tomatoes every time. It will. Just a tiny bit of salt, a little bit of pepper really changes the flavor. You can put a little bit of fresh olive oil on here if you wanted to, just a drizzle. Okay, so we're going to check in on our eggs. They're cooking nice and slowly like I want them to. Eggs are about 85% of the way cooked. Oh yeah. So now's the perfect time. If you're going to salt the eggs, get you a little bit in there. I know. Get you some black pepper in, and then we add those lovely sauteed onions in. If you never tasted this with your eggs, oh my goodness, today is the day to taste it like this, okay? I'm going to put like 3 or 4 slices of yellow American cheese. It really sends these eggs to the tip top. You bet it does. I'm all excited, I know, because I like spoiling my family when it comes to food. I give them all the things they want to eat, and I can just sit back and know that it tastes good, right? I can't get this cheese open. I'll be back. Cheese is getting ready to melt. I'm going to go ahead and turn that pan off and really let the residual heat from the pan melt that cheese. Good morning, and it's breakfast time. I'm going to make my husband's plate. So I heated up the waffle, and what he likes is for me to take a dollop of butter. I know. Set it right in the middle, and it's going to go all in the nooks and crannies as it melts of this waffle. Okay, I'm going to put those, let's see. Let's give him some sausages, of course. Oh, my goodness. What are you all having for breakfast? Let me know. I want to hear from everybody. Or maybe you're making this. All right, so now we're going to put some of those beautiful eggs. The cheese has finally melted. Right on here. Oh, are you kidding me? This is what I call breakfast 101. Okay, loves tomatoes that he loves. I think I think 3 will be perfect for him. Right? Let's toss on the lovely syrup that has been heated. We heat do y'all heat your syrup up? Let me hear from you. Look at that. Oh, baby. And here's the thing. Put enough syrup so you can drag your sausage through that. Listen, I know. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you ain't subscribed, but you're waiting on, tell your family and friends. Tell the world what Gina's doing every single day in this kitchen. And Father, on today, we thank you for your hedge of protection, your love. We thank you for this meal. Amen. Stay tuned. We're going to take a bite. You do. Cheers to breakfast. First thing I'm doing, I'm going in for that waffle. That's the first thing I want to taste because my mouth is watery. Oh, it's so soft. A little bit crispy on the outside. And we drowned it in the syrup. Look at that, yes. Mm-hmm. 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 Get on there.